Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the new package which I just received from my office NVIDIA. So at NVIDIA we have this policy of laptop refresh. So every four and a half years they contact you back, and the laptop which they gave at the beginning when you joined, they refresh the laptop because it's been 4.5 years. So you need some new tech, new configuration, better configuration laptop. So this is what they have sent me, and let's do the unboxing. Here I have the scissors and cutters. So let's see, where is the NG? This is flat, so let's check out this side. Possibly there is. Let's cut all the sides and then see. The same thing actually happened during my monitor, if you have seen that video. Yeah, so it opens from this. Oh, all right. Ooh, this is heavy, guys. This is very heavy. From Dell. Okay, the box is empty. Let's keep this aside. This is really heavy, guys. Possibly the chargers and everything comes in. Oh, this is magnetic. And whoa. It says precision here. I think the actual laptop, when you go and purchase, you get it in the similar box kind of fashion. This was sent by office, so I was not expecting the exact box, but yeah, they have did it. All right, and this is the laptop. So this is Dell Precision 5770. As you can see, Dell Precision 5770. This is a super sleek laptop. As you can see, no ports, Type-C, Type-C, SD card, and a 3.5mm jack. And this side also, you just have Type-C, Type-C, and lock, dedicated lock. So this is the laptop, super sleek, not that heavy. The laptop is maybe I think approx 2 kgs weight, but this is big laptop. This is 17-inch 4K touchscreen laptop. So let's see, let me open this. It's not even opening. It is that nicely packaged. Okay. Oh, it's on already. As you can see, this is how it looks. This is my initials, and this is the laptop which I have. Now onwards I'll be using this. It's cool, bezel-less touchscreen laptop. So I'll set this up, and again I'll show you which OS and which what is the configuration of the Intel CPU, GPU, etc. So let's keep this aside for now, and super sleek, guys. And let's see what else we get. Let's keep it here. All right, so let me show you. This is how it looks. We can remove this small piece. This is how it looks. You have this package. All right, here you get a dongle. Okay, this is Type-C to Ethernet. Type-C to Ethernet. You definitely need dongles. This is the half part of the power cable. So good. Definitely need dongles because there are only Type-C ports on that. All right, what is this? This is a Oh, it's another dongle. Let me open this one sec. Let's Okay, I was not expecting this, because though they did not tell me that they'll be giving out this dongle as well. So let me see from where it opens. Yeah, it's here. All right, this is okay. This is so funny. So as you can see, this is how it opens. Let me show it to you. Let me zoom it. Yeah, so this is how it opens. This is type C, and here you have HDMI port and a USB type A port. So this is one dongle which they are giving. Super cute dongle, small and cute. And so in the box, this section is done, this section is done. This section should have the charger. This has some paperwork. Let me put it back and check. Yeah, this has some paperwork here. And this is the charger. Small charger really for such 4K laptop, touchscreen 4K laptop. And this is a type C charger, guys. So no round port or a circular port for charging. This is a proprietary or you can actually not proprietary, but this is a generalized type C charger. It should be a PD charger for this laptop. So great. Here we connect that other cable which we got in the first place, which is this one. So we connect this here, and this will be our charger. Cool. Box is really nice. Actually, box itself is heavy. All right. Anything else do we get? Okay, this doesn't remove, or does it remove? Let me just check. But I don't think this is okay. This doesn't remove. This is packed. So yeah, I guess that's all we get in this box, guys. Yep. So Dell Precision, Dell, and that's it for this box. Let's keep it aside. So we have a charger. This plus this is the charger. This is a type C to Ethernet port dongle. So this generally people who connect LAN wires and all directly, this will be useful for them, not for me. So let's keep this aside. I generally work on Wi-Fi. And oh, this was the piece of box. I'll keep this inside again. And this is a small cute dongle, USB type A and HDMI. This is super cute actually. So let's keep this aside, and the paperwork, we'll keep it in the box again, not needed. And the actual laptop here, man. So this is 5770 Dell Precision. So let me open it, and this is hard to open actually one-handed like this. So you have to, because the body is very sleek. As you can see, the lower body is super sleek. So I'll set this up, guys, and I'll continue from there. So please stay tuned. So guys, here it's done, and as you can see, the laptop is on and up. And let's see the specifications and how. So currently, if you see, out of the box it came with Windows 10 20H2. So let's go to the properties and see. Let me take it to that. So all right, as you can see, this is 12 Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 32GB RAM, out of which 37 is the usable one, and the product IDs and it's touch screen, guys. So let me show it to you. As you can see, super bright touch screen. And this is with Windows 10, so possibly there should be an update, and it is already installing some important updates. And there's a backlit keyboard. Here it says Intel V Pro and graphics by NVIDIA. So let's also check the graphic card here. So if I right click and go to NVIDIA control panel, alright, as you can see, this has NVIDIA RTX 3000 12GB laptop GPU. Generally it's A3000 is generally 6GB, but this has a 12GB upgraded version. And as you can see, the bezels are super thin. This is slightly thicker because there is a camera here. Let's see the camera quality. So camera, and press enter. Alright, this is super good. It's very nice. Please don't go the house is super messy here, but the camera quality is really good. This is very clean looking camera. I'm not sure about the resolution of the camera, but this is really good. So let's close this and let's check. I have kept it on charging, guys. It was low. And let's check for if we have any updates, as Windows 11 is the go-to now. Okay, it says updates level. Oh cool, it already it's downloading Windows 11 update. Updates are available, so possibly the next update would get Windows 11 in this. That's cool. So, and then this has 32GB RAM, and this has the storage, only C drive that's encrypted because it's Office this thing, and it is 951, so 1TB SSD, guys. SSD is like super fast, and 1TB is more than enough for Office purpose, definitely. So that's all we get for this laptop, and there's a box here, the laptop. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Ta-da! So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. Hit the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.